Now this is me and my dad's wee hut. He's got racing pigeons, and I'd gave my dad a couple of white pigeons the first time round when I got them, and his are doing great here. I've not cleaned my dad's out the day. I'm giving them their feed, but total different game for mine's altogether. These are all on a set feed. So they are. Come on you, move! Come on Biggin! Right! Get it! Get it! That Biggin you can see outside the cage is one of my dad's that escaped when it was young, and he got it back in and he put a cable tie in it. He's trying them out there like that, and cracking birds, but you can't get them to come back in. There's a lot of tune birds when my dad dies, so he usually gives them a couple of grains. So while I've got his slow at having a wee feed, we'll just go outside, just bear with me, right? And I'll give them, because I know they are my dad's old birds. There they're there. Fly with the toonies till look up his hut. Go figure in here. My dad's is totally different. He's got a couple of wee finches. And he's got wee canaries. That's where he usually whistles and sings. And he's got a couple of budgies. He's got another wee budgie in there, and there's one on eggs in here. But there's a couple of toonies down. I don't feed them much. But come on Ryan, come on then. Come on then. Don't scatter that much. Right, come on then. You usually don't bother me. Wild toonies. They come here for a feed and then they go away. That's Bob, you can hear greeting in the background. I've got him locked up to know while I do the birds. And I like the toonians get a feed. The only reason I feed them for them is because I ken it. A couple of them are my dad's birds that the toon birds ta'en. Know what you can do about it. No, the best looking toonies in the town. Big white bird's a cracker. But then I'll begin back up home and I'm dying to see my wee squabs. I've had a wee quick checking them, they're fine. But I'm dying to go up and see my birds. So I'll finish up in here, then I'll go and see to the cat and the hamster. And I'll catch you when I'm back up the road.